Hello, I'm Darielle Snipes with the CMSD News Bureau. Welcome to CMSD 360, a look at news happening around the district for the week of September 10th. Today, Sunday, is Grandparents' Day. We would like to wish all grandmothers, grandfathers, grand-aunties and uncles, and grandparent figures a happy Grandparents' Day. We would like to thank you for all you do for our scholars. On Tuesday, the Board of Education will hold its monthly work session at East Professional Center, located at 1349 East 79th Street. The meeting will begin at 6:30 p.m. and will be live streamed on the district's Facebook and YouTube pages. Here's an important reminder. Last month, Board of Education Chair Sarah Ellicott and CEO Dr. Warren Morgan announced changes to the protocol for which the public can address the board at monthly board meetings. If you want to speak at the meetings, you must fill out an online public comment form to address the board. At the conclusion of each work session, a link to a request to speak form will be placed on the board website. The link will remain open until noon of the day of the next board meeting. These and other changes to procedures at board meetings, including meeting locations, can be found at clevelandmetroschools.org/Board of Education. Also on Tuesday, students at Paul L. Dunbar Pre-K through 8 school will receive a nice treat. Cleveland Browns cornerback Greg Newsome II will host a gym takeover. During the event, there will be an assembly and students will receive t-shirts. The event was built to inspire the kids to pursue interests in football, daily exercise, and to encourage them to stay in school in order to attain good grades and consistent attendance. Well, speaking of attendance, September is Attendance Awareness Month. CMSD and the Cleveland Browns Foundation and the Stay in the Game Network have teamed up to reduce chronic absenteeism. The district emphasizes the importance of attendance during September and all year long. There will be several Spirit Month activities, including an At 10 dance each morning at 10 a.m., attendance pledges, and more throughout the month to promote great attendance for schools and students. Schools who have students with regular attendance have a chance to receive some really cool rewards, including lunch from Arby's, surprise visits from Browns players and Chomps, the Browns official mascot, plus much, much more. Attending school regularly is important. Chronic absenteeism, defined as students missing 10% or more of school hours due to absences for any reason, can lead to a younger student struggling with learning to read by the 3rd grade, decreased achievement in middle school, and difficulty graduating high school. So students, get to school, you can make it. CMSD CEO Dr. Warren Morgan will host another coffee and conversation with the CEO on Wednesday at Rumi's Market and Turkish Grill, located at 8225 Carnegie Avenue. Those who came out to other events had a chance to grab a free cup of coffee and have a one-on-one conversation with Dr. Morgan. This is part of Dr. Morgan's Listen and Learn tour. He wants to hear from the community, students, parents, and educators about what areas the district can improve and what is currently working well. The first of 2 town hall meetings that are open to the public is scheduled for September 28th at Friendly Inn Settlement, located at 2386 Unwin Road. Please pre-register on the Listen and Learn tour page at clevelandmetroschools.org/listening tour for updated information. The second town hall meeting is scheduled for October 9th at Near West Theater, located at 6702 Detroit Avenue. Also on Wednesday, high school open houses excluding year-round schools will take place, and pre-K through 8 school open houses will be held on Thursday. On the day of their open houses, students will be dismissed early. Open houses on both days will be from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is a great time for caregivers to meet their students' teachers and see their students' classrooms. On Friday, National Hispanic Heritage Month begins. This is a time to recognize the contributions and influence of Hispanic Americans to the history, culture, and lasting achievements in our country. On Saturday, September 16th, the district will hold the Step Toward Success Special Education Resource Fair at Max Hayes High School, located at 2211 West 65th Street from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. This fair will provide parents with information and resources to support their children who are on or may need an individualized educational plan, IEP, or 504 plan. There will also be workshops, giveaways, games, and food for the entire family. Free wheelchair-accessible transportation will be available from East Professional Center starting at 8 a.m. Also on Saturday, there will be a free screening of the CMSD documentary Momentum, From Pandemic to Cleveland's New Way of Learning during the Greater Cleveland Urban Film Festival. The free screening will take place at Atlas Cinemas at Shaker Square, Theater 1 at 5:30 p.m. Come out and see how CMSD pivoted to remote learning during the COVID-19 pandemic and launched several innovative programs once students returned to the classroom. This is a free event and there will be a panel discussion after the screening. The application window is now open for teachers to register for Q1 demonstrations of learning at their schools. Demonstrations happen during the final week of the quarter and are an opportunity for students to show how they have mastered specific content aligned to academic standards. The profile of our graduate competencies that will be on display include reading, writing, speaking, and critical thinking through complex tasks that are worthy of productive struggle. Interested teachers can visit clevelandmetroschools.org/demonstrations of learning to learn more, find resources, and sign up before the registration window closes on Monday, September 18th. Looking ahead, dads, get ready to put on your walking shoes. On Thursday, September 21st, schools throughout the district will participate in the annual Father's Walk. On that day, fathers, grandfathers, and father figures are encouraged to walk their children to school. The walk is a part of the Cuyahoga County and national initiative designed to show how important it is for fathers to be involved in the lives of their children. Dads should contact their child's school for more details. This week's shout out goes to these students at Marion C. Seltzer Pre-K through 8th School. They were caught doing an act of greatness without being asked. Solange, Youssef, and Ryan, all 5th graders, helped their teacher pick up items spilled in the classroom. For their act of kindness and being helpful, they all received a token to the book vending machine. You can see which books they picked out. These students were also selected to join the Seltzer Pup Star Readers. This is a great program where students go to City Dogs Cleveland, a canine adoption agency, and read to dogs. It is a win-win. The students get to practice their reading and the dogs just love the attention. Now we want to give a shout out each week, so please take pictures of your students, staff, or something amazing happening at your school and tag Cleveland Metro Schools on social media and use the hashtag CMSD Shoutout. We want to celebrate you. We'll stay connected with what's going on in the district by downloading the CMSD app or following CMSD on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for watching CMSD 360. Have a great and productive week.